Fit the bill. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and common English phrase, fit the bill. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding it can really help you in mastering the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to fit the bill. Fit the bill is an idiomatic expression used to describe something that is suitable or appropriate for a particular purpose or situation. When something fits the bill, it means that it meets the requirements or expectations that are needed in that context. This phrase is often used when someone is considering different options and finds one that is just right. The phrase, fit the bill, has an interesting origin. It is believed to date back to the 19th century, related to theatrical productions. The bill referred to in the phrase was the bill of a play, which listed the performances. An act that fit the bill was one that was suitable for the audience and the overall theme of the play. Let's see how this phrase is used in different sentences. 1. We need a new couch, and this one seems to fit the bill perfectly. 2. They were looking for a lead actor who could sing and dance, and she fit the bill. 3. For a quiet beach vacation, this little island fits the bill. There are several synonyms for fit the bill. These include meet the requirements, be suitable, match the criteria, be just right. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, fit the bill, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas, and idioms like this one add color and variety to our expressions. Stay curious and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. See you next time.